Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 18, 2022. Yeah, Crispr Therapeutics. I got a massive update that I want to talk to you all about into the market in Crispr because I did a video not that long ago on June the 13th, right? 5 days ago, I did a video in Crispr still saying that the price was weak and that I was looking for the market in Crispr to continue to go lower in price. I pay attention to the chart. I pay attention to the price. I pay attention to where the money is going, because if I don't see that continuation of weakness, I need to come in and talk to you all and show you that the trend is definitely changing, and it is changing right now in Crispr. So welcome everyone to my channel. To those who are new, hey, this is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I come through and I pay attention to the money. The money is being reflected on the price chart. I don't pay attention to nothing else. I look at what other people are trying to do with their own cash, because when people actually come in and deploy the money to these stocks, they're not deploying it just because they want to. No, they're deploying it because they want to win. They want to make money too. So when you come in and look at the chart for what it is, you guys will begin to see, okay, cool. So somebody's thinking this about the stock. If they're thinking this, then guess what? We need to be thinking the same way. Let me show you all what I'm talking about. Now, go ahead. Hit the like button. Should have also subscribe to my channel. Enjoy my content. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm not here to give you all a lot of hype, FUD, and FOMO. I don't give you that hope. I don't tell you to come in and hold these stocks for the next 50 years. That's ridiculous. Money is used to create more money. And if you have your money locked up for 50 years, that's like a prison sentence. You can't be productive being locked up. So if your money is locked up for 50 years, it cannot be used somewhere else to bring you more opportunities to grab more cash. Let's keep it a buck. Now, once I saw the last couple of trading days in Crispr go up, I already knew that my video on June the 13th, I need to change it. Yeah, I didn't get it right. That weakness that I talked about on June the 13th, it did not come to fruition. Hey, I get it. If that's the case, then it tells me that somebody really wants Crispr to go up, and I'm not going to be the one to get in the way. Instead of me being in the way, I need to join them. So let me show you all what I mean. Okay, so I did the video on June the 13th. So let me show you all what was the price chart in the market in Crispr then. This was the price, right? It was down here. I had my other ultimate restriction area playing in weakness into the market in Crispr right here around 70, right? I did. Market fell from that point. So I came in on June the 13th like, hey, we're still on course to see the price in Crispr go down. But look at this. Instead of it going down, look what happened on the 14th. Market went up. Cool. Look what happened on the 15th. Market went up again. Cool. Look what happened on the 16th. Market is going up again. Somebody sees some interest or demand in Crispr. The market is not going down. It's going up. So guess what? I need to get out the way. I need to play the strength right along the market. If they want to bring price higher, then we need to ride the price higher. So I'll be one of the first ones to tell you, hey, my last price prediction, it wasn't right. It was wrong. Okay, cool. You'll see that I'm a human being. And that majority of my price predictions, even though they are on point and I do make profitability, there are some to where I don't get them right. There are some. And this is one of them. But for me, I shake it off and I get right back in position and capitalize on the next move. So yeah, that's around what, 42% loss right there. Cool. We had ample amount of opportunity to allow the market to go down, and instead of it going down, they obviously want to take the price up. So let's follow this. Now, there's one big problem that's in the way of us looking for Crispr to continue to go up. This one. And we're seeing it right now. Let me show it to you. Look at this right here. For some reason, okay, the market in Crispr cannot break above $70. Man, there got to be a big seller in Crispr at $70. Look at this. Look at all the volume that is coming in the market in Crispr. Every time the price in Crispr hits that $70 price, let's keep it real, the market sells off. A massive amount of volume comes in Crispr on those days to which price hits $70. Somebody's selling it. Somebody's trying to get above their Crispr stock around $70. I'm showing it to you right now. Charts don't lie. Every time the price comes around $70, somebody sells it, price falls back down in Crispr. That is the biggest problem for the buyers in the market right now. Plain and simple. Now, we are taking note of that. That is the only caution that we need to see if we're looking for the price in Crispr to continue to go up. I'm showing it to you right now. Charts don't lie. So on the last trading day in Crispr, we see a large amount of volume again. So we might start out, okay? Listen, we might start out next week seeing Crispr go down. I get it. From out the gate, price might fall 7, 8, 9%. Be prepared for that, because that is the course of action that happens every time the market comes up here towards $70. That's the only problem though. Outside of that, this market in Crispr very well may come up there towards 80. That would be the next stop for us to see the next bag of selling. All right. Charts don't lie. Now, I like what happened though. The market resumed higher prices not long after I did my video on June the 13th. Look at Crispr on the weekly time frame. Okay. So look at Crispr right here on the weekly. Okay. This weekly price bar, look at this one. It's a very wide spread on high volume. This market is trying to break above 70, which is another reason why I'm looking for price to continue to trend higher. We saw this weakness come in on the week of June the 6th. We did start out last week going down, but we were able to overcome all of that selling and end up closing towards the high of the bar. This is Crispr on the 2 weeks. While everybody else is being nervous and scared about price going down, Crispr is going up. Like, let's keep it real. The market in Crispr is not going down. It's been going up the last, 6 weeks? Price overall is trending high in Crispr. So now, let's go ahead and look at the price on the 3 weeks, okay? You guys can see it. I'm not showing you anything that nobody else is not able to see. Right? $70 is a problem. It goes all the way back here to 2019 too. See that? Goes all the way back to 2018. That's a problem. We need to be careful, because if price is not able to break above 70, then guess what? We need to jump right back onto the ship of the sellers and ride the price down. I'm just going to keep it real. We got to be versatile. We got to be agile in these markets. Okay. See that? So what I'm going to do though, is I'm going to play the strength into the market in Crispr. Yes, I am. I'm going to play for the price in Crispr to go up. Now, take a look at this though. Right here from the low, June the 13th, all the way to the high that came in on last Friday, June the 17th. This is a 34% run up. So yeah, people are going to try to take profit from out the gate. So don't let that sway you, right? You need to be prepared. People will take profitability when it comes to the market running up 35% in a couple of days. It's going to happen. Now, what I'm going to do is, let me show you all what I'm looking at for support. Okay. As long as the price in Crispr holds support, let me get, I would say around like $56. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market. Okay. So $56. So let me drop this on the chart. We got $56 for support. Okay. And that's 20% movement down. Price goes down to 56. Then we need to cut the play and say, look, we got on board too late. All right. That's if price breaks below 56. So we'll have to see the market go down. Break below 56 on weakness. It might come down to 50. Hold that ascending line and begin to come back up though. Right. So keep that in mind too, because this has been the trend. And the market buyers have confirmed that they're willing to buy Crispr on that trend line. That might be the pristine area to come in and buy this stock though. What do you think? So yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes open on that too, because the price can definitely fall back down to that trend line. But I'm not going to be in this long, right? This forecast is not meant to be long. I'm looking forward to possibly hit that $80 price, but my first price target is going to be around 75. So yeah, this is going to be quick. Okay, if you guys don't see this until after the market hits that $75 price, you might miss out on 7.44% profitability. I'm just saying. My next level is going to be 80 though. Okay, that's my highest area that I'm looking for the price in Crispr to run up towards. It might be a very quick touch. We might not even be there long before the sellers come back in and try to drop the price. So let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Let me show you all the 6 months chart in Crispr. Okay, so look at this on the 6 months. We got what, 12 days left. And over the last couple of 6 months, I mean, the market confirmed the trend. So if you're a long-term holder into the market in Crispr, you should be pretty good long-term for us to continue to let this price go up, because the market came through and confirmed the trend line over the last 6 months. Charts don't lie. If you saw this prior to the market coming down right here on this 6 month price chart, July 1st, 2021, and you should have said, I'm going to come in and buy the stock in Crispr once it comes down to this ascending line, you hit it on the nail. You saw how many times the price in Crispr was maintaining that ascending line on the 6 month chart. This doesn't require no discount cash flow model. This doesn't require 8 pillars of fundamentals. It doesn't. Just look at the money. Everyone else is doing the research for us. We just need to see how they're deploying their money. Like, at what prices are they coming in? They came in again on that ascending line the last 6 months. It's just that simple. All right, so I'm going to play the strength. Maybe getting in a little bit too late. I acknowledge that, because the market is already hitting restriction at 70. So I'm not going to be in this prediction long. I'm just looking forward to hit possibly 75, maybe 80. And then we might see another decline. Now, this would be the pristine thing right here. Okay, let me show you. Wouldn't it be cool if we saw the price in Crispr break out, then we get the selling come in and it comes back down and bounces off of 70? That tells us again to come in and buy the stock. Pay attention to that. You're not going to see this anywhere else. Pay attention. You'll see. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Give me your thoughts, your perception as to what you think the price in Crispr is about to do going into the month of July. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.